This video is for The Living Earth, Unit 3.3, Evidence for Plate Tectonics. Today's essential question is, what are the processes thought to drive the motion of tectonic plates? Our first main idea, processes that drive plate tectonics. Scientists now have a very solid set of evidences that support the idea that tectonic plates are moving all the time. However, like Wegener's continental drift hypothesis, the theory of plate tectonics cannot be accepted without an explanation of the processes that drive it. Fortunately, scientists now have clear explanations for these driving processes. Remember, the tectonic plates that make up Earth's lithosphere float above the mantle, and the mantle is a solid, not a liquid. However, because it is so hot, it is soft enough that it can flow slowly, similar to how putty flows. This hot material in the mantle rises toward the lithosphere, cools, and then sinks back down toward the core. This cycling of mantle material is called mantle convection. Mantle convection, again, is the slow convection of mantle rock caused by the uneven distribution of thermal energy in Earth's interior, and is thought to be a driving force of tectonic plate motion. As the convection cycles occur within the mantle, the tectonic plates above are moved as if on a very slow conveyor belt. This mantle convection pushes plates together at convergent boundaries, such as subduction zones. As the denser plate begins to subduct beneath the less dense plate, gravity starts to pull the subducting plate into the mantle. This further drives tectonic plate movement in a process called slab pull. Slab pull, which again is the sinking of cooler, denser oceanic lithosphere at subduction zones, is thought to be another driving force of tectonic plate motion. At seafloor spreading centers, the mid-ocean ridge constitutes an area of high elevation on the seafloor. Oceanic plates can slide down this higher elevation toward a subduction zone. This further drives tectonic plate movement in a process called ridge push. Ridge push, which is the sliding of oceanic lithosphere down and away from a mid-ocean ridge due to the higher elevation at mid-ocean ridge relative to a subduction zone, is thought to be another driving force of tectonic plate motion. In fact, ridge push and slab pull often work together to move tectonic plates. Through the processes of mantle convection, slab pull, and ridge push, scientists can now explain the driving forces behind tectonic plate movement. And as our understanding of these processes has increased, the theory of plate tectonics has become widely accepted. At this point, you should be able to generate a full and appropriate response to today's essential question. What are the processes thought to drive the motion of tectonic plates?